This offers fast charging, so you can go 9 volts at 2 amps input. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a really cool power bank for you. It does 22.5 watts. It offers, this is why I love this so much. It has a readout on the side on how many, what's the percentage of power left in 1% increments. All right. It also has Type C output and the standard output. This also does 12 volts output as well. So this is a unique power bank. It says it's 20,000 milliamp hours. And the other cool thing about this, which I love tremendously, and the reason why I'm giving this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, is it is a wireless charger. You simply just stick your phone on top and it starts to charge. You don't have to worry about wires or nothing. And this is key fast charging. So if your phone has the ability to do it, it'll do it. It'll wireless charge, and you can use the other 2 ports at the same time. So if you have a phone that doesn't have wireless charging, you can plug it in. It comes with a Type C to Type C adapter, or you can plug in your iPhone onto this and plug it in. If you have an iPhone 6 and iPhone 7 that doesn't offer, I don't think iPhone 7 offers wireless charging, not sure, but it can do Key 3.0. So it can do fast charging in wireless mode, which is amazing, and this is cool. So one of the cool things about this is what I like a lot, the power bank like this, and you put your phone in the spot, and then you could, so it has the correct angle and a place to sit your phone, and you just heard it kick on for wireless charging. This is pretty sick. So I like this a lot. This definitely gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because of that feature. I have a special meter that checks to see if this is a true 20,000 milliamp battery. All right. So you know, with me, with JoeteckTips, I make sure that everything is 100% exact. This is not a 20,000 milliamp battery pack. I discharge it to 0. It flashes 0 on the screen, and I charge it from the ground up. Now, if you charge it at 5 volts at 2 amps, it goes just about 19,000 milliamps, so 18,900 change. I have a picture of it. I'll show you. When I charged it in 9 volts at 2 amps, it only did 8,800 milliamps, but it could be because, well, like almost 9,000 milliamps. But think about it. It's probably because it's 9 volts, it's going twice as fast, but it's not measuring the milliamp input correctly. So you have to almost times that by 2, and it'll be right in the neighborhood of where it should be, about 19,000 milliamp. So they rounded it up to 20, but it's not 20. It's just under 19. So this battery bank deserves a dedicated video, and that is the reason why I am doing it. So guys, I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is a must-have. I love the fact that it does have a percentage indicator on the side. The whole point of this is just in case you needed it and you have it. So that said, I think I spoke enough about this product. It definitely gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. All right? Take care, and we'll see you next time.